Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best pneumatic upholstery staple guns on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Aero Pneumatic Staple Gun. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Aero Pneumatic Staple Gun is a reliable and efficient tool for a variety of projects, including upholstery, woodworking, and general repairs. Designed for precision and power, it operates with an air compressor, providing consistent performance with minimal effort. Its lightweight aluminum body ensures durability while reducing hand fatigue, making it comfortable for extended use. This staple gun is compatible with T50 staples in different sizes, allowing versatility for various applications. It features a quick-release mechanism for easy loading and a rubber grip for better control. The adjustable exhaust helps direct air away, improving user comfort. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, the Aero Pneumatic Staple Gun is a practical choice for any workshop. Number 2 is WorkPro Pneumatic 20-Gauge Staple Gun. The WorkPro Pneumatic 20-Gauge Staple Gun is a versatile and efficient tool for upholstery, carpentry, and woodworking projects. Designed for use with an air compressor, it delivers consistent power and precision with minimal effort. Its durable aluminum body is lightweight, reducing hand fatigue during extended use, while the ergonomic rubber grip ensures better control and comfort. This staple gun is compatible with 20-gauge staples from 1/4 to 9/16 inches, making it suitable for various applications. It features a quick-release magazine for fast reloading and an adjustable exhaust to direct air away from the user. Whether for home improvement or professional work, the WorkPro Pneumatic Staple Gun offers reliability and ease of use in any workshop. And to finish, the first position goes to the Might MT7116LN Pneumatic Upholstery Stapler. The Might MT7116LN Pneumatic Upholstery Stapler is a powerful and reliable tool designed for professional and home upholstery projects. Built with a durable aluminum body, it is lightweight yet strong, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Its long-nosed design allows for precise stapling in tight or hard-to-reach areas, making it ideal for detailed work. This stapler is compatible with 22-gauge 71 series staples ranging from 1/4 to 5/8 inches, offering versatility for various applications. It features a quick-release magazine for easy reloading and an ergonomic rubber grip for better control. Designed for efficiency and durability, the Might MT7116LN is a great choice for upholstery, furniture repair, and general stapling needs. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 pneumatic upholstery staple guns that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.